106.7
Z-Rock.
The noise of NorCal.
The noise of NorCal. 106.7 Z-Rock.
Just like summer, this new music is hot. You might want to put on song screen. New music.
106.7 Z-Rock.
Time to go old school on 106.7 Z-Rock. Just another reminder that you're one day closer to dying. 106.7 Z-Rock. Broadcasting from the Rolling Hills Casino and Resort Rock and Brews Studio. The official noise representative for the North State.
Oh my God.
This is
106.7 Z-Rock.
KRQR Orland, Chico. This is the
Noise of NorCal.
at ZRockFM.com.
Well, that was so good.
106.7 Z-Rock.
Oh no.
Now we're going back to music. Then we're going back to the bottle.
106.7 Z-Rock.
Here we go. 106.7 Z-Rock.